Hi folks, Paul here. I've been opening laptop batteries and I just thought I would share with you some of the oddball things that I found inside. So there's these Fukushima 17670s, which some of you will have seen before. They are longer and skinnier than a 18650. These are really annoying because you can't really use them in your existing system. What I tend to do is put them aside and think that I'll put them in some special little project that doesn't need to be 18650s, but invariably I never do, and so they just sit there and do nothing. So there's those ones, and then there's these purple ones, which I've never seen purple 17650s. That's kind of interesting. Panasonics. And then there's these ones. So these, they say they are 18650s. So you'd think, what size would you guess those would be? You would think they'd be 18, and they are. But you'd also guess that they were 650 long, wouldn't you? Here's a typical 18650. It's shorter. It says it's an 18650, but it's not. It's lying. This doesn't have any circuitry on the end. This is just wrong, and it's from Panasonic. What the hell's going on? That is an abomination as well. And then I found this battery pack here, and it's got what looks like 18650 space here, and then it's got this huge flat area. And so what is it? I'll show you what it is. If I can. It's a combo. I've never seen this before. It's a combination flat prismatic cells and 18650s. That's pretty bizarre. These are perfectly fine cells, and I sometimes use them when I'm replacing cells in toys that my son has. If they use AA batteries, you can replace 2 AA batteries with one of these quite happily, and then you don't have the annoying AA battery problems. They're probably okay cells, but that's a very bizarre design. What the hell were they thinking there? Who is it? It's a IBM. Wow. So it's ancient. Fascinating. I've never seen that before. You know what I think they were thinking? Maybe this is you know, I've just worked out what this is for. I bet that the laptop this came out of would normally come with a battery pack that was just 4 of these prismatic cells, and that would have been a nice form factor. And then the designers said to themselves, we should do a double capacity battery pack, and they couldn't use these because they would stick out an embarrassingly long way, and so they resorted to using 18650s because they would run along the back of the laptop and not be too odd looking. So I think that's what happened there, what resulted in that bizarre configuration. Interesting. And for those who are curious, the back of this weird IBM battery has a date. I'm pretty sure this is a date. I think it's relating to when the UL certification was approved, and it's 2008-33. So that would be the 33rd week of 2008. That's for the UL certification, which means that this battery is either 2008 or 2009, maybe 2010, probably 2009 vintage. So ancient. Let's see what the voltages are. I've only just pulled them out, cut them into singles. 2.0 volts, that's not too bad. 1.7, that's a bit sad. 0.9 and 1.9. So those will probably all charge quite happily. I don't know what capacity they'll have, but they're recoverable. What about these ones? Where are we? There and there. 2.7, that's alright. What about this one? 2.5, that's alright. What's going on there? Oh, I don't know about that one. That one doesn't look too flash. Just make sure I've got my... I'm not sure about that. And 2.5. So those are fine. Am I getting a decent... No, that one looks dead. So it's possible that that cell died, and that's why the battery was thrown out however many years ago. Interesting. Oh well, thanks for watching. Cheers.